Have you ever wondered how milk is produced inside a woman's body? How does a human body build a high-tech biological factory in just 9 months that begins producing the world's most perfect and nutritious food for a newborn baby? But do you know what's even more shocking, brother? The milk you see a baby drinking doesn't actually come from the stomach or digestive fluids. It's made directly from the mother's blood. Yes, you heard that right. Human breast milk is nothing but a highly refined, white-colored magical filtration of blood. But how does the red color of blood turn crystal white? And how does the brain know exactly how much milk to produce the moment the baby is born? The science behind this is so mind-blowing that you'll fall in love with nature's engineering. This incredible story starts long before the baby is born, right in the early weeks of pregnancy. When a woman becomes pregnant, a silent hormonal revolution begins inside her body. Hormones named estrogen and progesterone start laying down a whole new piping network inside the breast tissue. Inside the breast, there are tiny grape-like cluster structures known in science as alveoli. These alveoli are the actual microfactories where milk production takes place. Spread all around these alveoli is a dense network of tiny muscle cells and blood vessels. Throughout the 9 months of pregnancy, these factories are built and ready, but their production button stays switched off. The job of keeping this production turned off belongs to the hormone progesterone, ensuring that milk doesn't wastefully leak before the baby arrives. Then comes the miracle moment, the time of delivery. The moment the baby is born and the placenta leaves the mother's body, progesterone levels suddenly plunge from 100 to 0. This sudden drop gives an instant green light to the pituitary gland sitting inside the brain. The brain immediately releases a master hormone called prolactin. Prolactin has just one job: to knock loudly on the doors of those microfactories called alveoli and say, "Hey guys, the baby is here, start production immediately." Now this is where the real chemical magic happens. Blood flows at very high speeds through the capillaries surrounding the alveoli. The walls of the alveoli feature special microscopic doors. These doors block the red part of the blood, the red blood cells and hemoglobin, from entering, but they absorb water, amino acids, glucose, fats, calcium, and most importantly, antibodies from the blood. Inside the factory, these alveolar cells combine the amino acids to transform them into casein and whey proteins and convert glucose into lactose sugar. Since the red blood cells are left outside, the liquid isn't red, but a pure crystal white color. To put it simply, the super nutritious juice of the blood gets extracted, and the remaining red portion goes back into circulation. But wait, the milk is made, but it's still trapped inside those tiny grape-like clusters of alveoli. How does it get out? For this, nature built an automatic remote control system called the letdown reflex. The moment the baby touches or suckles the mother's breast, or even when the mother hears her baby cry or simply thinks about them, another hormone is instantly released from her brain called oxytocin. Oxytocin is also known as the love hormone. This oxytocin travels through the bloodstream to the breast muscles and squeezes the tiny muscle cells wrapped around the alveoli. Just like water squirting out when you squeeze a water balloon, those muscles contract and push the milk out through tiny ducts all the way to the nipple. The milk produced during the first 2 to 3 days after the baby is born isn't thin or white. It's a thick, yellow, sticky liquid called colostrum. Doctors call this liquid gold. Colostrum is low in fat, but it carries such a massive dose of white blood cells and antibodies that it creates a protective shield inside the newborn stomach, guarding them against bacteria and viruses from around the world. It is the baby's very first natural vaccine, provided directly by nature. Do you know what the most breathtaking part of this entire system is, my friend? This biological factory operates under a strict law of supply and demand. There is no fixed capacity storage tank inside a mother's body. The more the baby nurses, the emptier the breast becomes, and the brain responds by releasing even more prolactin and oxytocin to create double the milk for the next feed. If the baby drinks less, a special protein inside the milk, FIL, feedback inhibitor of lactation, signals the brain to slow down production. What's even more mind-blowing is that when a baby gets sick, the infection transfers from the baby's saliva directly onto the mother's breast. The mother's body reads that infection and within the very next hour pumps specific disease-fighting antibodies into the milk to deliver right back to the baby. This means that human breast milk isn't just food. It's a personalized, living biological medicine that changes its formula every single hour based on the baby's exact needs. No matter how advanced our AI or lab-made foods become, creating a replacement for nature's automatic intelligent biological factory is humanly impossible. Now just think, if such complex filtration and chemical engineering can run inside a tiny human body without a single computer, how many more secrets are hidden across nature that are far beyond our imagination? To learn about another mind-bending biological fact like this, subscribe to the channel right now and don't miss the next transmission.